Hello everyone, my name is Alina and I like to welcome you to watercolor exercises. Last week we've done some birch trees and today I like to show you how to do grass. I like to show you how to do beautiful grass. But first I like to take you for a short walk. So let's go! So, welcome back. It was a nice walk, wasn't it? I'd like to start with the background. So, let me draw and paint quick background for my grass. Because this tutorial is not about background, not about painting trees or sky, it's about grass, so that's why I will speed it up. You can do your own composition that you like to try. The only thing that I want you to do is to save like 2/3 of your page for the grass and just arrange something at this 1/3 of the page. And when you will be painting, I want you to put some light tones down there for the grass. Okay, we have some background, let's do the grass. First thing that I want you to think about is perspective. So I want you to divide the grass area into 3 parts. The farther away, mid part and the foreground. So for the farthest away area, I usually don't draw grass like, you know, like lines. I just do dots like this. You can see that here I've got some yellow dots, and sometimes, you know, those dots are, I'm changing them into lines. because they are very far away, so that's why they are barely visible. We don't see much of that, of the texture or the shapes. So that's why I usually do dots and then I'm smoothing it like so. And so that was the farther away grass. The mid grass will be a little bit longer. So let's say it will be like that, a little longer. So now you can see that it is something is sticking out from the ground, and from the closest here my grass will be the tallest, the longest. The next thing that I want you to think about is diversity. So your grass should vary in color and in shape and the angles. I don't want you to draw grass like this. This looks like, you know, everything is the same spacing, the same angle. You don't want such grass. You want to have nice and varied, or whatever, varied, you know what I mean, grass. And also what I like to suggest is grouping. You see how I create one group here? There was one group in here, there is another group in here, and here, and so far I was drawing grass positively. And right now I like to show you how to do it, how to do negative painting with grass. The technique is the same. You just have to think that everything that is under will be your grass. So here I'm just drawing some lines and I'm smoothing the top part instead of the bottom part of my grass. And then you can see that this is here is a beautiful positive negative grass. It is lighter, this grass is lighter, this grass is darker. So think about negative painting. And when you are doing grass also you can do some lifting. Let's say I like to have some really green grass here. So let me do some lines that will be sticking out from that area. And I'm adding water to this edge because I'm not quite sure about how I want to finish it. So when you have such dark area, you can lift some colors. For lifting grass, is the best is flat brush, something like this. And you see, I will just lift some blades. You see how nice it looks like when I'm lifting those blades. I'm trying to use small brush, so those blades will not be very big. And it is nice when the grass is overlapping too. So then we have a feeling that, you know, it is very dense grass. All right, and I think that's it for the rules. The more you paint the grass, the better you are. And I also would like to add that it is nice to have various colors on your fields too. So if you have yellows, add different kind of yellows. It is also nice to show some flowers sometimes on the fields. So on the fields you can also have some red or blue color. And I think that's it. This is all the rules that I like to tell you. I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you are practicing the grass. As you see, it is not that difficult to make it. Just think about perspective, about diversity, about grouping the grass in clumps. Think about negative painting and about lifting some colors too. I hope you will keep practicing, and I hope to see you soon. Bye! Bye!